Update on this Nissan Qashqai. Put an engine in, covered about 300 or so kilometres. It's just the AC regas update. But sounds good, all looks tight. Yeah, so 305 kilometres since I put the engine and new clutch in it. Temperature in the workshop today is about 21 maybe. Yeah, so 21. And we'll see what this AC is doing after it's had this recharge. It's a dual zone system on this one. I'm only checking this side. I can check the other side as well. Sorry about that, just had a customer come in, but we're in now at 1.7. Now that's pretty good for an AC system. Let's try the other side. And I'm doing it just had a centre vents. Shut this one down. That'd just be on the blend door. But pretty good. I think we can deal with that. Hope you enjoyed that video on the Qashqai and where it's at now. Now it's got about 180 miles on it, or 300 plus kilometres since I installed the engine. And as you can see, the AC is really efficient on this system. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified of my next videos as when they come out, and any questions or comments leave in the box below. Thanks for watching.